Hi everyone, welcome to Irene's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you mango dal curry. To cook this mango dal curry, I have pressure cooked quarter kg of tur dal along with a handful of moong dal with 2 pieces of raw mango cut into small pieces along with a pinch of salt. I gave 2 whistles and I have taken it out. It looks like this. Now to make this mango dal curry, the ingredients I have taken are few curry leaves, 10 green chilli cut into small pieces, 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil, 1 spoon of ghee, 2 onions finely cut into small pieces, 2 to 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic that is crushed, 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds, few coriander leaves cut into fine pieces, a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 to 3 red chilli cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard. Now I am going to switch on the stove and start cooking. Let the kadai become hot. Yes, it's becoming hot. Now I am going to pour the oil. It is the refined oil. And just wait for the oil to become hot. Once it becomes hot, you should add the mustard seeds and the jeera seeds. And wait for those seeds to start bursting. Yes, it's bursting. Next, once it has bursted, you should add the chopped onions and keep stirring. You can add the red chilli, which is split into 2 to 3 pieces. And keep frying it. Just wait for it to become slightly brown color. You can add a pinch of salt. So we have already added salt into the tur dal while cooking, so be careful not to add more salt. Just add a pinch of salt. Later you can see if you need more salt you can add. Next add the curry leaves. The green chilli. The asafoetida. A pinch of it. And keep frying. Then the ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic, either you can make it into a fine paste or you can crush and use. No problem. Now I am adding the pepper powder. When you are adding the pepper powder, you can slow down your gas. And keep frying it. Yes, it's almost fried. Everything has fried well. Now you can add a pinch of coriander leaves. The rest of the coriander leaves you can keep for garnishing. Just fry it for 1 more minute. Now you can add the cooked dal and mango. And add 3 glasses of water. And you can change to your high flame. Now just stir it once and check the salt. If you feel salt is less, you can add salt. You can add the ghee. Now I am opening the lid to check whether it is boiling well. If you feel the curry is very thick, remember, please add hot water. Don't add cold water. Now you can cover it for 10 minutes. I am opening the lid to check the salt is correct. I feel the salt is less. I am adding a bit of salt. Now you can slow down your flame. Stir it once and again you can cover it up for another few minutes. Yes, I am going to check whether my curry is ready. Yes, it's ready. Now just stir it once and I am going to off my stove and garnish with coriander leaves. I am going to take this curry to a bowl. Yes, dal mango curry is ready. Yes, the curry is ready. You can use this curry for chapati and rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.